In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the voice control feature on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, you want to select Accessibility. And then on the right side, scrolling down underneath Motor, you want to select Voice Control. And it says voice control allows you to use your voice to edit text and interact with your computer even when you are on calls. Click inside that oval to toggle that on to enable, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.